So we're back. I tried to do this before, but it failed again. It always fails. But we're here to show you the potential tropical storms around. As I mentioned in the previous one, even though you didn't see that one. I hope this one works. But there's this storm here. In the Indian Ocean. When you look back, it's far more impressive than it was. I mean, can you look back any further? No, that's the furthest you can look back. I had 70 kilometers an hour winds, but if you go forward, as it hits the island, quite warm in actually, 25. It gets actually more powerful than it was, even though it kind of looks kind of weird. The storm does die though. Look, as you can see, it starts dying off by this point. It doesn't even have like an actual eye like it used to. It had an eye before. So as we leave that off, we're going to move up here because this is where the next storm is going to happen. Still there on the signature. Obviously, oh, it's now almost gone now, but. So this is where the next storm starts. You move forward. I believe this is where the storm peaked. Probably isn't actually. Probably got stronger than this, but it had winds of 80. Still 10 kilometers short of the one in India after hitting the island. But this isn't the main storm we're talking about though. If we go further up, around here, this area, there's a West Island there. As we move forward, the tropical storm there is still there. I mean, you can tell, but this is what we were looking at. West Island here. This is definitely a storm forming. But that's not the only storm. This one, after passing West Island. And to move forward again, these storms start to pick up in strength. The second storm behind the more powerful one, it takes a while to set up, but it does start setting up eventually. So in its early stages, this one looks actually very good. I mean, it's quite warm in this area. I'm going to check the sea surface temperatures here. I mean, you can see that storm is gone now almost. It's probably post-tropical. But here, 97 kilometers an hour winds. That's probably not as peak. Oh no, it gets way stronger than that. 105 probably in some areas. Another big jump in intensity again to 126, 127. I'm going to get close to that, and 127 could be higher or could be downgraded or something, I don't know. The storm gets even more powerful than that. 130 in this white area here, it's 145 in some areas, probably up. Can we get 144 is the highest we're going to get, probably, yeah. But that's still very impressive. That's the furthest we're going to go. But you can see under this storm behind it, that's definitely a storm, 100%. There's winds of 100 kilometers an hour. Exactly, yeah, it's quite funny, isn't it? I don't know what this is, though. It has a circular shape. It looks weird. Right, this is the furthest we can go. You cannot go further than this. So, I'm struggling to pause there. Right, I'm going to go up there and temperatures. So right now, Tuesday the 31st at 1500, or about 3 p.m. something. Temperatures here are 28. But if you go further up, it could go to 29, maybe. Not very hot, but here it's around 29, 30 degrees, some around here. If you go on Wednesday, where's the peak temperatures? Around the same time, it's about 28. It's kind of got colder around Madagascar, so if you go around where temperatures are not looking too great right now, we move forward, does get quite a little bit higher. Could be a bad sign, but if you go further out, yeah, temperatures can be higher than this. I mean, it was hot earlier, but there is still places at 28, so the storm ain't. It still has warm temperatures, but it's not crazy warm. So, does satellite go that far? I want to say, yeah. No, it doesn't. Great. Right, that's going to be it. There's not really anything in the Philippines. Obviously, Atlantic hurricane season is probably 120 days out, not even close. So that'll be a while until we can do anything about that. But well, there's going to be storms here at some point. If they happen, well, see if the models if it actually happens or not. Because probably Force 13 will probably pick it up eventually. So they've already picked it up already, but they haven't picked up the two storms, I don't think. I haven't checked in a while, so we're going to see you guys later. Thanks for watching about this weather update. Not about the UK, but around the world. So, see you guys. Bye.